People are making thousands of dollars with AI agents, and today's video I want to show you how you can be the next. But before we go, what are AI agents, what do they do, and how to find them? Before we start, make sure you don't skip any part of today's video so you have all the information you need to make 2025 your year. Before we talk about AI agents, let's talk about AI itself. The artificial intelligence sector have experienced exponential growth, solidifying and positioning itself in the global economy. The global AI market was valued at approximately 550 billion in 2023, and now with prediction to escalate to over 2.74 trillion by 2032. Besides adding more than 100 billion per year, things will only escalate. Besides the fact that venture capital investment in AI have surged, AI-related companies receive a close to a third of the global venture funding in 2024. Investments in AI startups increased by over 80% from the previous year, with notable companies raising a combined $40 billion. This means that choosing the right AI-related coins could easily give you 100 to 1000x profit this cycle. Okay, Jana, if it's that easy, why am I not rich yet? Well, the first thing is understanding that under the AI sector there are many narratives and not all of them can make that a reality. For that, you need to stay ahead in the market and grab early narrative as soon as they surge. So now, without further ado, let's understand why AI agent is the one that can bring this to a reality. AI agent is one of the most promising trends in 2025. But why? The fact is that these agents are bridging the gap between blockchain infrastructure and real-life value, making it crypto mainstream a reality like never before. You probably even have your grandma using ChatGPT. But imagine that now you actually don't even need to teach your friend what is a crypto wallet, how to create one, but just introduce him to his next best friend, an AI agent that will not only buy, hold, but also transfer crypto for him. Okay, Jana, but how is that even possible? This is because the AI aren't just tools, but they are automated systems that combine intelligence, adaptability, and action to accomplish a range of different tasks. Unlike traditional systems with rigid workflows, AI agents place a large language model that enable dynamic respondability and adaptability. They go by learning and adapting as you use. Okay, but exactly how these AI agents work? They combine two primary components. One, the interface, the place where you're gonna communicate with him, and a workflow that happens in the background. So, now talking about how you're gonna be able to make money by using or even holding some of the best AI agents out there. So for that, we need to understand what they can do for us in the decentralized financial area, and this is the part that they can definitely perform a range of different things all on chain. From automated trading to making real-time trading decisions based on market data. These agents AI can also optimize your yield by dynamic managing all your assets and even manage risk in all your portfolio. So which ones are the most potential AI agents out there? Here is my list with the best and the most potential AI agents that I have found. Also, make sure you stay until the end, as I also have a bonus one. The first one in the list couldn't be less than Vtus. Vtus is a pioneer in building a society of AI agents on base blockchain. One of the main reasons why I'm so excited about Vtus is that we are not talking about something developed and built in a couple of months, but years, as Vtus team have been developing and working as a startup for years now. They started in the gaming ecosystem and shifted to be more focused into AI agents once realizing the potential and how new it is in the market. Also, the way they integrated Vtus as a token is pretty simple and straightforward, as if you want to use the platform to create your own AI agent, you have to own the Vtus token, which definitely will keep pushing the demand up. The second in my list is game. As I mentioned, when Vtus team first started, they were game agent focused, and later on they shift to AI agents in general. So the first token created in the platform is Game, which is focused in the blockchain-based gaming, powering agents that can go from active as autonomous players to agents that can manage all your game assets. Well, as game and the adoption of AI agents keep increasing, the demand for game will also grow. The third in the list is AIXBT, also created using virtual platform, and we can say it's one of the most successful one we have out there. AIXBT tracks crypto Twitter discussions and leverages its engine to identify high momentum plays. Well, to get access to all his analytics, you need to hold a certain amount of XBT token, which is also a great factor as it's going to keep pushing the demand to go up as the agent get even more attention. The fourth in my list is Griffin. And the main thing we need to start saying is that Griffin is the biggest and the pioneer AI agent ecosystem in Solana. He is not only one AI agent, but a network of AI agents working together to help to take action on chain. You can even create your own agent or use one of their 5 special agents, each specialized to complete a specific task. You can start using Griffin now by getting an invite in one of the Griffin last tweets. Then you can buy an access pass for 2 Solana and start the magic. The fifth in my list is Vendor Research. Well, Vendor is focused on advancing the agentic economy. Vendor is focused on advancing the agentic economy by deploying autonomous AI agents that operate independently to drive insights, optimize process, and create more value. Also being part from the same strong foundation and growing demand that has made virtual such a cornerstone in this AI narrative. So once again, the token itself plays a key role in fueling the project's operation, and as more people discover the power of autonomous AI agents, the demand for Vendor will definitely grow up. And the bonus for today is Guanciale AI. Guan, which is also created using virtual ecosystem, is a driven pork turned into crypto trader. One of the most things I like about Guan, besides being extremely fun, is how early it still is. He pretty much used AI to analyze the market and execute different strategies autonomously. Besides the fact that you can use his terminal or pretty much the place where you can use him for free. That was all for today. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to turn on the bell so you stay tuned to all my content. See you around.